Today, we're creating a stunning modern poster design that's perfect for grabbing attention and wowing your audience. Step 1. Set up canvas. First, let's set the stage for our masterpiece. Create a file with dimensions of 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. That's A4 size for our poster. We're keeping it professional here. Next, we need a killer background. Go to the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of your layers panel and choose solid color. For this design, we're going with black, classic, sleek, and oh so chic. Click OK, and voila, your background is ready. Step 2. Type letter S. Now, grab the type tool, shortcut T, and type the letter S. Trust me, this letter is about to be the star of the show. Choose a bold, eye-catching font. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can download the font from the link in the description below. Hit Ctrl+T to transform the text and make it big. Bigger is better here, folks. Adjust it until it's beautifully centered on your canvas. Step 3. Split letter with mask. Time to get creative. Pick the rectangular marquee tool, shortcut M, and make a selection to cover half of the letter S. Doesn't matter which half, we're all about symmetry here. Now click Add Layer Mask at the bottom of the Layers panel. Bam! Half of the S disappears like magic. Here's where it gets fun. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Then double-click on the mask, hit Invert, and click OK. Abracadabra, the other half of the S is back. Now adjust its position by hitting Ctrl+T and scaling it up. Bigger, bolder, better. Step 4. Add an image. Let's make this poster pop. Place an image over your canvas by dragging it in. I've dropped the download link in the description for you. Right-click on the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Your image will beautifully fit inside the S, giving it that premium look. Classy, right? Step 5. Add shadows for depth. Select the text layer, then create a new layer above it. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask again. Now grab the brush tool, shortcut B, and set the foreground color to black. Adjust the brush settings, opacity to 100%, flow to 58%, and smoothing to 10%. Paint some shadows around the edges to add depth and drama. Trust me, these small details make a big difference. Feeling organized? Select the top 4 layers, hit Ctrl+G, and group them, keeping things tidy like a Photoshop Pro. Step 6. Add more text. Let's spice things up with some text. Pick the type tool again and add your tagline or message. Use another fancy font, you guessed it. Download link is in the description. Want a vertical twist? Pick the vertical type tool and type your vertical text. Step 7. Geometric accent. Time for some geometric fun. Pick the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Then, use the rectangular marquee tool to make a smaller selection inside it and click Add Layer Mask. Duplicate this layer with Ctrl+J and drag it upward to create a modern design pattern. Easy peasy, right? Step 8. Finalize with gradient magic. Let's finish this masterpiece with a touch of gradient. Select the top layer, go to Adjustment Layer, and choose Gradient. Follow my settings closely. It's all about that smooth, professional finish. And just like that, your jaw-dropping poster is done. Shy 5, you crushed it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss another creative hack. And hey, drop a comment below. What should we design next? Your ideas are my inspiration. See you in the next video. Keep creating.